Hello students, today is your GK test of exercise 1 to 4. So here is the revision video of today's test. Link you will get at 11 o'clock. Before that, revise this video. Children, exercise 1 is based on Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati means president. So in this exercise, we have learned about the specific things of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Already we have discussed, but though it is the revision video, so it's necessary to revise all the exercises once again. So very first thing, tell me, India's President House is known as Rashtrapati Bhavan. Do you know the name of America's President's House name? Yes, America's President House name is White House. Which? White House. अगर आप ऑप्शन आपको कहीं भी रेड हाउस, ब्लैक हाउस, ग्रीन हाउस कुछ भी मिलता है, आंसर इज व्हाइट हाउस और ये ऐसा आंसर है आपको ऑलरेडी पता ही होगा. नाउ लुक, व्हाट इज द ऑफिशियल रेजिडेंस ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अमेरिका? इट्स व्हाइट हाउस. क्लियर. अब हम आ जाते हैं अपने प्रेसिडेंट हाउस पे, दैट इज नोन एज राष्ट्रपति भवन. सो सबसे पहली बात, द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग कि इन विच ईयर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ राष्ट्रपति भवन स्टार्टेड. Construction began in 1912-18. Okay, and who started the construction? Architect Edward Lutyens. He planned the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now look, how many rooms are there in Rashtrapati Bhavan? Total number of rooms are 340, and so that's why it is considered the biggest house in the world. Okay, now look once again, number of rooms in President's House 340. Construction began in 1912-80. Originally built for Viceroy of India. It was built before the independence. So before independence, Rashtrapati or Prime Minister or Presidents were not there. So it was originally built for Viceroy of India. So that's why it was known as Viceroy's House before the independence. But after independence, this is gifted to the president, or it is declared as the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, now before independence it was known as Viceroy's House, and it is situated on the top of the Rasina Hills. Rasina Hills के टॉप पे ये situated है. माइंड में रखिएगा, Rasina Hills. अब आप ये समझिए, वहाँ सतपुरा नहीं है, वहाँ विंध्या नहीं है, वहाँ अरावली हिल्स नहीं है, वहाँ कौन सी हिल्स है? Rasina Hills. Okay, so keep this important terms in your mind. Now children, look, exercise 2 is based on famous personalities of India. Okay, now here are the some points which will be helpful to you in revising the exercise. Children, I have written the specific things, the important things. If you read out that thing, if you read out it anywhere in the paper, just it is immediately trigger in your mind, this answer will be it of this question. Okay, now the first of it, one, doctrine of Advaita Vedanta. Okay, a doctrine of Advaita Vedanta, and also founded 4 mats. Who did this? Shankaracharya. अब आप यहाँ पे आपको क्या माइंड में रखना है? अद्वैत वेदांता एंड 4 मट्स. जहाँ पे भी ये आता है आपका आंसर होगा शंकराचार्य. नेक्स्ट इज वॉन बैटल ऑफ हल्दी घाटी. क्वेश्चन, read the statement carefully, and if it is written in the question that who won the battle of Haldi Ghati, your answer will be Raja Mansi. Next is Deccan policy. The third son of Shah Jahan and introduced the Deccan policy is Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb introduced Deccan policy. Now founder of Sikh Empire. Founder of Sikh Empire means जिन्होंने Sikh Empire की फाउंडेशन रखी थी, नींव रखी थी, he is रंजीत सिंह. No Ranjit Kumar, no Guru Nanak Dev, no Gurudev, no Bhagat Singh, no Rajguru. He is Ranjit Singh. Founded the Sikh Empire in Punjab. In Punjab, Sikh Empire in Punjab. Iqtidari system. Answer will be Iltutmish. इक्तदारी इल्तुमिश. इक्तदारी किसने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था? इल्तुमिश ने. Now law minister of India from 1947 to 1951. Leader of scheduled caste, SC I had written, scheduled caste, and also the head of the drafting committee of drafting committee. ये तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता होगा. It's Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Children, our next revision exercise is exercise number 3, that is based on Constitution of India. First of all, law making body of our country. So हमारी कंट्री के जो लॉज हैं वो कहाँ पे प्रिपेयर होते हैं? इट प्रिपेयर्स इन दी पार्लियामेंट. नाउ हु अपॉइंट्स द चीफ जस्टिस? Appoints chief justice, I have written only, means if chief justice is appointed by someone, so who is that person? President appoints the chief justice. Minimum age to be eligible for president. A person, at what age a person can apply or for the post of president? His age should be of 35 years. Okay. Now Supreme Commander of Defence Forces. सुप्रीम कमांडर, अब हमारी कंट्री का जो सुप्रीमो होगा वही सुप्रीम कमांडर होगा, दैट इज प्रेसिडेंट. नाउ नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स इन लोकसभा 545 एंड नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स इन राज्यसभा 250. लोकसभा इज नोन एज द लोअर हाउस एंड राज्यसभा इज नोन एज द अपर हाउस. नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स इन लोकसभा 545, नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स इन राज्यसभा 250. ओके. हाईएस्ट कोर्ट, विच इज द हाईएस्ट कोर्ट? हाई कोर्ट इज नॉट द हाईएस्ट कोर्ट. हाई से भी एक बड़ा वर्ड होता है सुप्रीम, जैसे हम सुप्रीम पावर कहते हैं. और सुप्रीम पावर हम किसे कहते हैं? गॉड को हम सुप्रीम पावर कहते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि गॉड इज द बिगेस्ट ऑफ ऑल. सारी ह्यूमन बीइंग, सारी स्पीशीज से गॉड सबसे बड़ा है, इसलिए हम उसे सुप्रीम पावर कहते हैं. ठीक है, सुप्रीम पावर. और सेम एज हाई कोर्ट बड़ा है, लेकिन सबसे बड़ा कौन सा कोर्ट है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट. Now constitutional head. Who is the constitutional head? Again, president. Children, our last exercise number is based number 4 is based on Governor Generals and Viceroys of India. Okay. Now look at the first one. Who introduced subsidiary alliance? This 2 days before we have already studied in social. Okay, subsidiary alliance was introduced by Lord Wolseley, and doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Look, subsidiary alliance Lord Wolseley, doctrine of lapse Lord Dalhousie. Now who was the last viceroy of India? Lord Mountbatten. ये नेम आपने बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुना होगा. Lord Mountbatten was the last viceroy of India. And first Governor General was Warren Hastings. Last Viceroy Lord Mountbatten, first Governor General Warren Hastings. He declared sati illegal, William Bentinck, and founded college in Admire. Who founded college in Admire? Lord Mayo. Okay. Now, अच्छा अभी मैंने आपको बताया लास्ट Viceroy of India Lord Mountbatten, बट आपकी बुक में एक क्वेश्चन है, मैं आपको बताती हूँ. ये देखिए बहुत ध्यान से, हमने आपको अभी बताया था लास्ट वाइसरॉय ऑफ इंडिया लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन एंड फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल वारेन हेस्टिंग. अब इसमें देखिए फर्स्ट वाइसरॉय ऑफ इंडिया एंड लास्ट गवर्नर जनरल is लॉर्ड कैनिंग. चलो देखिए कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. लास्ट वाइसरॉय लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन एंड फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल वारेन हेस्टिंग. बट फर्स्ट वाइसरॉय एंड लास्ट गवर्नर जनरल मीन्स लास्ट गवर्नर जनरल था, फर्स्ट वाइसरॉय था लॉर्ड कैनिंग. So this was the revision of 4 exercise which is going to come in today's test link will be provided to you at 11 o'clock, and up to 11:30 you have to submit the test. So watch this revision video and learn all these 4 exercises very carefully. Okay, now today again we will meet with the revision video of next exercises. Till then,